welcome to this week's Decent News, where we, the developer-loving team at Decentology, bring you recent updates in the world of decentralized development. And we do this with a lot of love, and just a hint of sarcasm. So let's get right into it. Switzerland has been cooking more than just fondue lately, as they are now clearing the way for better regulation of digital currencies with the announcement of a new digital stock exchange named SIX Digital Exchange. Could this be the first step towards a global network of digital asset trading? Only time on your luxurious Swiss-made watch will tell. Moving on to New York airspace news. In a high-flying announcement, the New York-based Drone Racing League landed a huge deal with crypto platform Algorand. This is the league's most significant sponsorship agreement to date, a 5-year pact worth $100 million US, or as some say, just a tad over 32,000 ETH. Definitely a partnership to watch. And in Flow news, a big announcement was recently made about Flow and Google Cloud partnering together to host nodes on Google's cloud platform. It's good to see Google embracing Web3, as they say, if you miss with Wave, go with the flow. What are your thoughts on this partnership? Let us know in the comments below. In NFT-related news, OpenC confirmed that their head of product purchased NFTs while knowing those specific NFTs were going to be displayed prominently on their site. OpenC responded, indicating that these actions were incredibly disappointing and that they have taken action by implementing new company policies around team members purchasing NFTs. How does this action and response sit with you? Let us know in the comments below. Martha Stewart has yet to comment. In Avalanche news, there's been an avalanche of cash that has been invested into the Avalanche ecosystem. This $230 million round was led by Polychain and 3 Arrows Capital and will be used to support and accelerate the rapid growth of DeFi, enterprise apps, and other uses of the Avalanche public blockchain. Our tweet of the week has something special for you Flow developers out there. It may not be as hard as you think to actually do a flip. That's right. Though while impressive to either do a front or back flip, that's not what this flip is about at all. The team at Flow has announced their first ever Flow Flip Fest. What is a Flow Flip, you ask? A Flow Flip is a flow improvement proposal. No athleticism needed. Best of all, you can Flow Flip from September 15th to October 30th, and the prize pool is $500K worth of flow. Be sure to check out the Flow site linked to below and learn how you can flip mode squad yourself into some serious earnings. And lastly, we have more big news coming out of AMC. Yes, that's right. The movie theater chain, who you've likely spilled popcorn on their floors before, has announced that they will start accepting Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin for ticket purchases and concessions. How's that for some decent news? Thanks for tuning in to this week's Decent News. We appreciate your support. And if you have news you'd like for us to share, please first ask yourself, is this decent news? And if it is, then feel free to send it to decentnews@decentology.com. Signing off, I'm Clint Patterson.